I now request our respected principal, Mrs. Renu Puri, to come up on the stage and address the school.
Okay. Ashish, can we have the lights in the balcony? The balcony is very dark. House lights of the balcony need to be put on. And all of you, please settle in. Those who've just entered, find a place in the aisles, if nothing else. Yeah, there are some seats here. Come. There are 2 seats this side, girls. Yeah. Okay. Let's sit up straight. Close our eyes. And please put your hands on your knees. And for a few moments, let us focus on our breath. Consciously breathe in right up to the core of your torso and breathe out slowly. And as you do that, feel yourself relax and be comfortable. With every breath out, let go of any tightness, any pain, any anxiety which you might be holding. And with each breath in, feel it going to every cell of your body. And as you do that, send out your gratitude by counting the blessings you have. Each one of us has our own bounty. Everyone is blessed, everyone. You just need to recognize that and create your happiness around that. And as you do that, and you send out your gratitude by focusing on your blessings, the fact that you are here, the fact that you have a healthy body, the fact that you are in school, you've come from a home which protects you, you've got food on your table, you've got a warm bed, it can just carry on. And with that feeling of abundance and gratitude, let's rub our hands and open our eyes. Good morning, children. We start today's assembly with a few presentations. I know it's the first assembly after we've come back formally. Of course, Monday was a special assembly. But this week onwards, and maybe even yesterday you all had it, the auditions and the planning for the founders is on. Classes 10, 11, 12 are writing their assessment 1, and I know, except for 10 IG, most of you finish or will finish today. I need you to be very sure about your auditions, and when you go there, make sure that if you're selected, you tell the teacher, and do not waver, because that creates a problem. We're going to do a whole lot of events for founders in the weeks coming. I will be sharing with you the details. But along with that, we have to focus on academics also right now, because in September, we do have a half-yearlies. And I need you to balance. Right now are only the auditions, and then post-September, we start with full throttle practice. Okay? So have a great time ahead, and we have the Vivek Fiesta in August. I think all of you are aware of that. Your teachers may be talking to you. That's an academic program in a different way. I need you to participate wholeheartedly, and if you have friends in other schools, encourage them to come and participate in the Vivek High Fiesta. It's a lot of fun, a lot of learning. On that note, I hand over to the captains.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm delighted to introduce our new exchange student, Nate, who will be joining us this term. Nate comes to us from the Athenian School. We are looking forward to hosting him, learning from each other, and making this a valuable experience for him and for all of us. Let's all give him a warm welcome and make him feel at home.
Hi everyone, I'm Nate Merrick. I'm from the Athenian School in Danville, California. I'm so excited for the next 5 weeks here at Vivek High School. It should be super fun, and I'm super grateful to all of you for hosting me, and especially to Garup and the Kong family, who are my host students. Thank you all. I'm excited to get to know you. Please come up to me, say hi, and we can get to know each other better.
Thank you, Nate. We now have an announcement by Round Square.
A delegation of 6 students, namely Udevir Singh Bal, Reva Khanna, Zorawar Singh, Myra, Ayana Das, and Samarveer Singh Mamik, accompanied by Miss Nanspreet Kaur, went on a Round Square conference to Santiago, Chile, hosted by the Craig House School with the theme Dare to Dream, Dare to Lead. Our journey began on 31st of March, filled with excitement as we bid farewell to our parents and embarked on our first leg to Delhi. From Delhi, we took a connecting flight to New York, where we had a layover. During our time in New York, we explored iconic landmarks such as the Trump Towers, World Trade Center, Fifth Avenue, Times Square, and Central Park. Finally, we boarded our flight from New York to Santiago, Chile.
Day 1. On April 2nd, 2025, we arrived in Santiago, Chile, after a long journey. As we stepped out of the airport, we were warmly greeted by representatives of our host school, who welcomed us with open arms and big smiles. The excitement was palpable as we made our way to the school, eager to start our new experience. Upon arrival, we were given a tour of the school premises, which gave us a glimpse into the daily life of our Chilean peers. What followed was an engaging ice-breaking session where we got to know our fellow students and teachers, breaking down barriers and building connections that would last a lifetime. After a fun-filled session, we were paired with our host families with whom we would be staying for the duration of our program. On the second day, on April 3rd, the excitement reached new heights as we participated in the opening ceremony. We then had a session with the keynote speaker, Ignacio Navarrete. The theme of the day was internationalism, setting the tone for a celebration of cultural diversity and exchange. Following the ceremony, we were divided into our baraza groups. The school then hosted a vibrant Chilean local fair, which was a treasure trove of the country's rich heritage. We were immersed in Chile's urban legends, history, and arts. The afternoon took an exciting turn when two professional dancers arrived to teach us the traditional Chilean dance, cueca.
On April 4th, with the theme being democracy, the program continued with thought-provoking conversations with Trinidad Mata. The engaging talk set the tone for the day, filled with learning and exploration. Following the speech, the groups were divided into two for an excursion. One group visited the Museum of Memory and Human Rights, where they gained a deeper understanding of Chile's tumultuous past and its journey towards healing and reconciliation. The museum's powerful exhibits and narratives shed light on the country's struggles and resilience in the face of adversity. Meanwhile, the other group headed to the Lemon Dia Cultural Center, where they delved into the life and works of renowned Chilean artists, including Jose Venturelli. The Cultural Center provided a unique glimpse into Chile's rich artistic heritage, showcasing Venturelli's contributions to the country's cultural landscape. Both groups had an enriching experience, with the museum visit providing insight into Chile's complex history, and the Cultural Center visit highlighting the country's vibrant artistic traditions. On day 4, on April 5th, we embarked on a meaningful journey to Valparaiso, a charming town in Chile that had faced its share of challenges due to natural disasters. As part of a service day, we were determined to make a positive impact on the community. The school had collaborated with Techno NGO to build sheds for the needy, providing them with much needed shelter and support. We spent the morning painting playgrounds, bringing vibrant colors and joy to the town's children. The atmosphere was filled with laughter and creativity as we worked together to create a more welcoming environment. After community service activities, we were treated to a delicious community lunch prepared by the locals. We sat down together, sharing stories and bonding over our shared experiences. Following lunch, we had some free time to explore the town's main attractions. We wandered through the colorful streets, taking in the stunning views and snapping photos to capture the moment. The town's unique architecture, rich history, and breathtaking scenery left us in awe, and we felt grateful to have experienced it. As we reflected on our service day experience, we realized that it was not just about giving back to the community, but also about building connections and fostering global citizenship. We left Valparaiso with full hearts, knowing that our small actions could make a significant difference in the lives of others.
On April 8th, we celebrated Family Day, a special opportunity to bond with our host families and experience Chilean culture firsthand. We spent the entire day immersed in the lives of our host families, creating unforgettable memories and deepening our connections. Our host families took us on a tour of the city, showcasing its hidden gems and iconic landmarks. We visited the tallest tower in South America, marveling at the breathtaking views from the top. Throughout the day, we shared meals, stories, and laughters with our host families, gaining a deeper understanding of Chilean traditions and customs. We were touched by the warmth and hospitality of our host families, who welcomed us into their homes and their hearts. On April 7th, the theme was adventure, and we were in for an exhilarating experience. The students were divided into two groups, each embarking on a unique adventure that would push their limits and create lifelong memories. One group headed to Rio Maipo, where they tackled the thrilling rapids on a river rafting excursion. The rush of navigating through the turbulent waters, working together as a team, and overcoming obstacles was an adrenaline-pumping experience. The stunning scenery surrounding the river added to the excitement, making it a truly unforgettable adventure. Meanwhile, the other group visited Latitude 90, a challenge center that offered a range of thrilling activities. The group participated in zip lining, soaring through the air with breathtaking views, and rock climbing, testing their physical strength and mental determination. The instructors provided guidance and support, helping the students build confidence and push beyond their comfort zones. Both groups faced their fears, challenged themselves, and emerged with a sense of accomplishment and pride. The adventure activities fostered teamwork, trust, and communication among the students, creating strong bonds that would last long after the program ended. As we reflected on our experiences, we realized that adventure was not just about the thrill of the activity, but also about personal growth, self-discovery, and the memories we created together.
Day 7. On April 8th, we celebrated Environmentalism Day, a day dedicated to learning about sustainable practices and promoting eco-friendly initiatives. The day began with an inspiring keynote speech by Gonzalo, who shared valuable insights on environmental conservation and the importance of collective action. Following the keynote, we visited Ecoterra, a fascinating farm that showcased innovative approaches to sustainability. We were amazed by the farm's unique approach to egg production, where hens roamed freely among the native trees. The farm's emphasis on environmental stewardship and animal welfare was truly impressive. After the farm's visit, we returned to the school and engaged in creative activity, building ant and bird houses. The hands-on project allowed us to apply our problem-solving skills and promoting environmental conservation. We worked together, sharing ideas and expertise to create functional and eco-friendly structures. As the evening approached, we transformed into a different persona, donning elaborate masks and costumes for the highly anticipated masquerade ball. The atmosphere was electric, filled with music and laughter and excitement.
With heavy hearts, we bid farewell to our newly made friends, promising to stay in touch and cherish the memories we created together. We expressed our heartfelt gratitude to the entire school community for their warm hospitality, support, and guidance throughout our stay. As we departed, we reflected on the incredible experiences we had, from cultural exchange and adventure activities to service projects and environmental learning. This trip to Chile had been a life-changing experience for many of us, teaching us valuable lessons about resilience, teamwork, and the importance of global citizenship. We learned to appreciate different perspectives, challenge our own assumptions, and grow as individuals. The friendships we formed, the laughter we've shared, and the memories we've created will stay with us forever. As we returned to Chandigarh, we felt enriched by the experiences and insights gained throughout this journey. We've grown not only as individuals, but also as a group, bounded by shared experiences and a deeper understanding of the world. This trip has been indeed a journey of self-discovery, growth, and transformation, and we're grateful for the opportunity to have been a part of it. We would like to thank Renupuri ma'am, Bubbles ma'am, Naz ma'am, and Nancy ma'am for giving us this opportunity. We now have a short video presentation.
We now have an announcement for IAYP.
Good morning, everyone. Under today's befitting monsoon sky, it is a privilege to introduce the International Award for Young People, IAYP, also known as the Duke of Edinburgh's Award, a prestigious global recognition established by Prince Philip in 1956. Celebrated in over 130 countries, it not only nurtures character and leadership, but also opens doors to transformative opportunities. May I now please request our esteemed principal, Mrs. Renu Puri, to join us on stage to felicitate the awardees. I now invite our proud IAYP Bronze awardees to kindly come up on stage to receive this prestigious honor. Zinia Barar, Mannat Rikhi, and Aisha Bindal. Heartiest congratulations to the awardees. It is a matter of great pride and joy to announce that in the academic session of 2024 to 2025, the students of Vivek High School have earned an impressive 53 bronze awards, 25 silver awards, and 5 gold awards, which is a shining testament to the steadfast mentorship of our award leaders. Thank you.
We now have an announcement for the World Scholars Cup.
Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to share that a group of 12 students from Vivek High School, accompanied by Babita Rajput ma'am and a respected Vice Principal Mukul sir, recently participated in the World Scholars Cup Global Round held at Bangkok, Thailand from 27th June to 2nd July. The World Scholars Cup is an international academic competition that brings together students from all over the world. It includes a series of events like collaborative writing, team debates, and a challenging multiple choice quiz called the Scholars Challenge. Beyond the competition itself, it was an incredible opportunity for learning and growth. We engaged with diverse perspectives, sharpened our critical thinking, and gained exposure to global issues. Most importantly, we made meaningful friendships with students from countries like Taiwan, the United Kingdom, Australia, Kenya, Singapore, UAE, Uzbekistan, and many more. It was an unforgettable experience that went far beyond academics and truly broadened our horizons. Now I would like to call Abhay to add on and announce the awards.
Thank you, Anand. From debating about exciting topics and to meeting students from all around the world, this journey has been an incredible learning experience for us all. We didn't just explore global issues, we discovered the importance of teamwork, build confidence, and learn more about ourselves along the way. This year, the Global Round in Bangkok hosted 210 teams in the junior category, 155 teams in the senior category, representing around 30 countries. It was truly an international celebration of learning. Now, I am very proud to announce that all of our teams have been selected for the final round, the Tournament of Champions, which will be held at Yale University in November 2025. As I call out the teams, I request you to please come forward to the stage. Team 1, Nilesh Singla, winning 1 gold, 2 silver medals. Nakshatra Garg with 1 gold and 3 silver medals. Antrik Sharma with 4 golds and 1 silver. Team 2, Teg Kalra, winning 2 golds and 1 silver. Amania Jaspal, 1 gold and 1 silver. Gurleen Kumar, 1 gold and 2 silvers. And from team 3, Mahira Verma, winning 1 gold and 2 silvers. Hridhan Sikka, 1 gold and 1 silver. Samreen Singh, 2 medals and 1 gold. And from our senior team, Anand Singh Grewal with 1 gold and 2 silver medals. Shant Singh Virk with 2 golds and 3 silver medals. And Abhay Kavardeep Singh with 4 silvers.
Click a picture. Sir, you need to be here for the picture. And Babita ma'am, please come up. It's easy for them to click it in. Thank you. That's it? Yes. One more word.
Congratulations to the awardees. We now have an announcement by the sports department.
Our under 14 cricket team participated in the Kundan Premier League and Joseph Premier League. Abhav Dhimman was declared as the fighter of the match. Kevin Preet Singh was the man of the match. Tatwa Agarwal received a trophy for the best bowler, fielder and man of the match. Vian Jain scored 180 runs and was declared as the best batsman and the man of the match. Sangram Singh was declared as the best batsman for playing a knock of 60 runs. Can we please have the applause going? Shining Star Tennis Academy organized the SSTA Open tournament from 28 to 29 of June, where Kanwar got the 3rd position and was the best player in the entire tournament.
Good morning, everyone. Our NCC cadets participated in the annual training camp held at the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Sector 25, Chandigarh, during their summer vacations. While most were enjoying comforts of home, these cadets chose a path of discipline, endurance, and self-growth. They were trained under strenuous conditions, faced challenges, but emerged stronger, not just physically, but mentally and physically too. The camp was not just about drills and trainings. It was about self-transformation. They've learned lessons of unity, leadership, and perseverance in the ways of adversities. Let us welcome these proud cadets who are just the future of our country and its strength. As I call out their names, I request them to come up on and collect their certificates. Prisha Sharma, Sehaj Bhatia, Ekamjeet Kaur, Avnoor, Prisha Sharma, Vaishnavi Srivastav, Vaishnavi Mansal, Japman Kaur, Ananya Singla, Agam Kaur, Riddhi Bali.
Our girls battalion has been doing very well, and I'm happy to announce that very, very soon, maybe in the next couple of days, we'll have some vacancies for the boys also. So those who are interested can then enroll, and then we will have a mixed group of children with boys and girls going for NCC. Shubhangi ma'am is working hard to get us some vacancies for the boys also. So well done, girls, you've set the bar high.
Teek Kalra of class 8C has written his own book, Tapestry of the Mind. I would like to invite him on the stage to say a few words about his book. Let's have a huge round of applause for him.
Good morning, everybody. So, not only have I written Tapestry of the Mind, but I've also written this book called Trials of the Wasteland. I believe it's in the library. It's basically about this officer, police officer, who's found dead some time ago, and his best friend has to investigate it. He works with a group of few young kids, but only to discover that his friend isn't who he thought he was. He's built his trail of treachery and lies. This book also questions the meaning of friendship, as his best friend teams up with a group of young kids. And it also talks about interdimensional travel. As for the poem one, Tapestry of the Mind, it has 21 poems, and I believe it will be available in the library in a while. Thank you.
All grade 11 students to please note that the names of the junior council posts have been revised. There is no change in duties, only the titles have been updated. The revised list has been pinned in each classroom. Applicants must refer to this list and submit their preferences accordingly. I now request everyone to rise for the school song.
Together unafraid, over land, in the air, on the sea,
please remain standing for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा
द्राविड उत्कल बंग
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना
गंगा
उच्छल जल वितरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे
तब शुभ आशीष मांगे
गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Classes 4 to 7 to please stay back in the auditorium. I repeat, classes 4 to 7 to please stay back in the auditorium.